Hey lovelies, today we're making this simple coleslaw recipe. This coleslaw is easy to prepare guys, but it's absolutely delicious. Trust me guys, this is so delicious. So if you're not subscribers yet, please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment and share. So to make our coleslaw recipe, we're going to use a half a cabbage, one medium-sized carrot, some vinegar. We're also going to use some mayonnaise. This is about a quarter cup of mayonnaise, guys. I love mayonnaise, so we're using a quarter cup. Some granulated sugar. You can use brown sugar if you like, but I'm using granulated sugar. I'm also going to use a pinch of salt and some black pepper, because you know cabbage don't have no taste, so you need a pinch of salt to bring up the taste in the cabbage. So we're going to shred our cabbage now, and we're also going to shred our carrot, and then we're going to combine all the ingredients. So that's it for our cabbage, guys. We're going to put the cabbage aside now in our bowl, and then we're going to shred our carrot. So we're going to use this side of the grater, not the small side but the bigger side of the grater. So you finished shredded carrot, guys. You're just going to add it to the cabbage and mix them together. We're going to combine them properly together, and then we're just going to go in and add the rest of the ingredients. We're going to add our mayonnaise. This is about a quarter cup of mayonnaise, guys. So we're going to add the mayonnaise. And then we're going to add our vinegar. And then we're also going to add the sugar, some of the granulated sugar. I'm going to use about a teaspoon or a little bit more than a teaspoon. Then I'm going to add the pinch of salt and the black pepper, and then I'm just going to combine all the ingredients together to get this lovely, creamy and delicious coleslaw. Simple coleslaw recipe, guys. This is so simple. All you have to do is shred the carrot, shred the cabbage, and just add all the ingredients to the bowl and mix it. Look at that, it is so creamy. I didn't add any more mayonnaise. The mayonnaise was enough after mixing, so I didn't add any more mayonnaise. But this is so simple coleslaw recipe, guys. Just follow the simple steps by steps to make a delicious coleslaw recipe. So this is it now, guys. This is my simple but delicious coleslaw recipe. Simple coleslaw recipe, guys. So don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. Like, comment and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video.